the first pass on about another quarter to the field. But the old girl stopped moving, so I don't know. It might be a dry belt. We'll have a look here. Now we're on a lawn tractor rescue. I should stop moving for some reason. Let's see when we get there. Rescue operation is in progress. Now we made it. Now we can dig in and see what's going on. Alright, we're out here today to do a little bit of work on the lawn tractor. He seized up on us a few days ago. This is the variable speed drive. I had to put new needle bearings in top and bottom. So we'll put that back together, and I invested in a new set of blades. I've really abused them other ones, and I'm going to treat it with a new set of blades. All right. Get some progress done. I'll show you what I'm working on. Here's the beast, and this is where it's got to go. The variable speed's got to go back. Hook these two belts back in. Hopefully that restores the beast to operational mode. Great. Put her back together and I'll give you an update. Alright. Back together. We'll give it a good run, see how she goes. Alright. Win some, lose some. The blades they sent me were almost 3 inches too short. They're like 2 inches too short, so they're gonna have to go back. The spindles I got, they look like they're the same. We'll replace that one spindle out. It's just too much movement in it. All right, let's see if this works. Tighten her in place and see how she goes.